Hey everyone, Carlo here and welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about mostly sneakers and tech. And today we're going to do a quick review of the Nike Air Max 98 Cone. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a brand new Adidas Profeer the moment we hit 10,000 subscribers. Subscribe. Hey guys, let me introduce you to the most colorful sneaker in my collection. This is the Nike Air Max 98 Cone. And as you guys can see, it is swimming in colors. You have violet, purple, you have orange, you have whites, you have some sort of light blue, light green thing, you have the yellow swoosh, yellow wording. Even the logo is really pretty wild when it comes to the overall design. So this is the most striking, most vibrant, most playful, and loudest shoe in my collection. So two things I really love about the Nike Air Max 98 Cone. Number one, the artistry and the attention to detail when it came to the overall design of the shoe. And I'll get to that in a bit. And number two, it's the overall funness and character of the shoe. It's something that you really want to wear if you just want to kick back, enjoy, and be a little bit more playful. This is actually my first Air Max 98. And when I was in Outsole Academy over at BGC shopping for one, I checked different models. There was that Blue Thunder model and another one with like different colors. But I decided to end up with this one mainly because my main selection criteria was what would be the craziest shoe that I normally wouldn't wear. Because for the bigger part of my life, I've been wearing mostly Cole Haans. And as most of you guys know, Cole Haan shoes are really more on the formal / smart casual side. And when it came to sneakers, especially with Air Maxes, I wanted something a little more crazy, a little more edgier, a little more loud. And that's the reason why I ended up with the Nike Air Max 98 Cone. Now, it's easy to dismiss that this is like a kid's shoe, but the amount of detail and craftsmanship that went into the shoe is actually pretty something else. When it comes to materials, it has a lot of texture because you have different kinds all over the upper. You have suede, wrapping it all around, and you have it also here at the upper side. You have panels of nylon, the purple one that you guys see, this blue, I don't know, the different colors, and you even have like an underlay of mesh and different types of other materials all around the shoe. Now everything combined, it gives it a really nice texture and character that you normally wouldn't get with one-dimensional shoes. Apart from that, you have a full-length, full-size Air Max unit for the midsole, and this helps a lot actually with the comfort, and you feel it when you start walking around with it. This is not just one of those shoes that's purely for gimmick and doesn't help with any comfort or performance, because this is a shoe that you would actually want to wear when you're walking distances. Now, one more pretty sick detail that they added to this is that they added a 3M strip all around the shoe. What's a 3M strip? It's like something with that when flash hits it, it glows up. So it's pretty sick. And you have that 3M strip all the way outlining the entire upper of the shoe. Now, here's what it looks like if you take a camera with flash and try to take a picture of it. So as you guys can see, this area pretty much glowed. So it's a nice touch to be able to put again that kind of texture and that character into this, what supposedly is a childish shoe. The color even extends to the outsole. Now, it's not every day that you see colorful, well-designed outsoles in shoes, because this is the part of the shoe that always hits the pavement, that always hits the ground. And yet the designers made it a point to have that black rubber, like, I don't know, jotting spots on top of that orange accent. They even have like a blue plasticky thing here, or the air unit with the swoosh logo, and they even have like a accent of purple on the lower part. So it's just pretty sick and pretty cool to see that amount of detail and that amount of design thinking, well, not design thinking, art thinking and artistry that went into a pair of sneakers. Now, there are two cons to it. Well, I won't call the colorway and it being loud a negative already, because if you think that's a negative, then you shouldn't have bought it in the first place. Probably my two main gripes is, number one, it gets dirty fairly quickly because of that bright pastel color combined with the material. So you will get some stains if you don't take care and clean the shoe regularly. Number two, because of the suede, it can get damaged, especially if you take it out when it's raining or when the weather is not that cooperative. So should you buy one of these? Well, if you ask me, everybody should have at least one crazy sneaker in their collection. It pays to just live a little, you know, outside of the box every now and then. And the best way to express that is actually your clothing. So I would suggest that if you guys are, you know, in the market for sneakers, make sure that you have one in your arsenal that makes you feel uncomfortable, that makes you feel unsafe, that makes you feel a little more on the, you know, I don't know, like the childish side of you. I think it's important that you just have fun sometimes and let loose with what you wear and with your fashion. And sneakers is the perfect way to do that. If the sneakers like this talk to you on a very personal level and you just connect with it and you feel that you're going to have fun with it and that it's something that you will just enjoy wearing, then go for it, man. You lose nothing. What's the worst thing that can happen? People will look at it and say, wow, that's a pretty colorful sneaker. That's okay. At the end of the day, you're enjoying wearing it, and that's what matters the most. So hey, as long as you're not in a formal event or you're not in a particular like scenario where you really have to wear like really toned down shoes or formal shoes or dress shoes, enjoy a little. Invest in really crazy shoes like this one. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel because we are dropping a lot more content this weekend. We're going to do comparisons, we're going to do a few more unboxings, and we're going to do a feature on different kinds of triple black shoes that I have in my collection. That's it for now. Peace!